Welcome to our first exercise. In this exercise, we will first figure out which niche aligns with your interests, hobbies, and passions. We need to start here because before we start thinking of which products to promote, we should start by spending some time reflecting on niches where you already have a deep level of knowledge. For example, if you do woodworking as a hobby and you have been doing it long enough that you could recommend which plane is the best to use, you might consider picking woodworking as your niche. If you're a gadget nerd and you're always across the latest in tech, you might consider picking tech gadgets as your niche. It's best just to pick one niche to focus on rather than multiple, so you can invest all your time getting to know it really well, if you need to, and be able to make solid purchasing recommendations that your audience will find genuinely helpful. Now, let's bring all this together to build up a list of up to 5 niches that you might be interested in choosing. Check out the link in the description to get a template you can use to help you complete the exercise. When you've got this list together, rank them in order of how much you know about each one. Now consider your number 1. It's the one you know most about, which is perfect, but consider whether it's one you're interested enough in that you'd be willing to deepen your understanding about it. If you are willing, then congratulations, you've found your niche. If not, consider your number 2. Rinse and repeat until you land on a niche that you'd be willing to learn more about. Now that we've decided on a niche, let's brainstorm some actual product ideas in the next video. See you there.